Seriously, your name is blood. Yay!
Hindi naman mapapatalo si Mami Carla. Si Pressure Mami Carla, ano ang nararamdaman natin today dahil sinicelebrate po natin yung ika-first birthday party po ni Narisha. And Mami Carla, ganun din, i-welcome niyo lahat ng guests.
Thank you sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo ninyo kahit sa busy oras po ninyo. And happy ako dahil kahit pa paano nakaka-celebrate kami ng medyo okay na budget. Thank you po sa lahat.
Pero so, si Ate Maria.
Ang layo.
Welcome mo lahat ng bisita ni Narisha. Enjoy po kayo.
Hala! Hala! Oy!
Ulitin nyo, dapat magbilang kayo or sakto lang dapat pag sinabi kong group yourself, ito po dapat saktong dalawa lang. Okay? Walang sasobra, walang kukulang. Okay? Pero bago natin mag-start, at yung game natin related.
Ba't ka galit?
Kaya naman, kids, may tatanong ako, ha? Kunwari, lulubog yung boat. Sa tingin nyo ba, ano yung unang lulubog? Yung marami o yung konti? Very good. Yung mabigat o yung magaan? Very good, ha? Kaya dapat nakikinig kasi yung game natin, sasamahan ko ulit ng twist. Kaya dapat listen first. Alright, kaya naman so Jolly Kids, are you ready?
Yes!
Very good. This time,
Nakikiyas
group
ni Adult,
yourself. Wala pa.
Excited! Excited! Ikalma nyo! Ikalma nyo!
Group yourself into
Sino yun?
go! Dito, may mananalo na kaya dapat listen first. Okay? Ready? Okay, ha? Kung ulitin ko kung nakikinig ka ganyan, dapat okay, ha? Dapat nakikinig kasi dito may mananalo na. Okay?
Ilan na sila?
This time,
6?
group yourself into 4. Apat! Go!
Wala na! Tawag si Jessica at saka si Kia! Kaya nga eh.
Tanong ako, okay? Kanina tanong si Alex, kung lulubog yung boat, sa tingin nyo na ba, ano yung unang lulubog yung
Yung mabigat!
Yung apat o yung dalawa? Tayo ang tanggal panalo.
Ah, yeah! Yeah! Panalo! Pambato namin yan! Oh, yeah! Oh, panis! Panalo! Sa Nagia! Ew!
Dito po ng mga girls for
May birthday tulog! May birthday tulog! Inaaway si Maria!
Alright, together with Ate Maria, Misha, and Mommy and Daddy No Parisha, blow the candle and make a wish. Anong birthday wish mo kay Ate Parisha? Thank you,
Hindi mo
Misha.
ginig yung
Also,
boses niya.
Mommy and Daddy, hama! Umuaway ka. Ate na Parisha. First birthday wish mo para sa kanya na si Parisha ay lumaking bata maganda.
Eh.
At flawless. At sexy. Ni Mami Carla. Isa pa. Nagpapalakas sa Mami Carla. Ang second birthday wish mo para kay Parisha na siya ay lumaking bata matalino at hindi at lalong hindi matigas ang ulo katulad nino. Mabait si Ate Maria, okay?
mga ka-MLib, so this is Mark Lester Escarbalangat or MLib, and for my today's vlog guys is I reacted this Wicked Part 1 crack bonus, and credits to this person, the internet princess. Tingnan natin yung ano niya, yung pagka-edit niya sa mismong video. Wait, wala ng internet, sorry. Ayan, ang dami niya ditong video. I-react natin to isa-isa. Ayaw pakita. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan. Wicked Part 1, ayan. Ang tagal. Okay. We reacted this.
I think we found the place where we belong. I wanna be in this toy fly.
Ay, Wicked Crack bonus. Okay. I-react natin.
Excuse me.
Glinda. Fuck a munchkin.
I am a sentimental man who always longed to be a father.
He's gonna tell him.
I, for one, am so sorry. This, you wanted to address the problem.
Judges yan. Alphabet, catching stars and Shein even enrolled.
I'm beautifully tragic. The other daughter? What was it made of where? Bitch, let me tell you something.
Girl, you have a goal
Let me
as a
tell you something.
professor.
You shut the fuck up with your weak ass. Bitch.
Sister, right.
Glinda.
Say what we want. Shut up.
Marabel. Get away from me. That's my hair.
Not you.
Not you.
You.
I admire you so.
Enough.
A magic wand.
You shut
It's
the
a
fuck
training
up.
one.
It's a toy by the way.
Having faith in me.
I have no faith in you.
Why?
I'm a sorceress, not a mind
I
reader.
just
You
think
said you do not have what it
it
takes.
takes.
I hope you
don't
prove
be
me wrong.
wrong.
I doubt you will.
Can I touch it?
touch you.
No. Stop!
Hala.
Do you think the wizard is done?
How much it's so small-minded. Small-minded.
I love her. I really love her. I love my girlfriend.
Guilty Stars Rise. Me watching this since of the 487th time.
If we examine this timeline,
Taking the lyrics of Gravity and really holding space
Holding
with
space
that.
with that. Napanood ko yung interview na yun.
I asked you because you are so beautiful. I am going to
be so fucking petty.
Under your pillow. What is this? I want to know. Give it back, please. Give it back. Give it back.
How many people were scared? Me too. I was really, really scared. This is never gonna work.
Elfie.
You mustn't think that way.
Depressing creatures.
The fuck did I do? She was doing all that at 6 a.m. by the way. I present to you. You can delete it since.
Not a thing I do.
Bounce.
Ayun, hindi ba na napanood to?
Now. Give me a bounce.
How many people were scared?
That's enough. Toss, toss. Leg. Toss, toss. Leg.
Toss, toss. Leg.
Ay, wala to sa ano.
I'm gonna teach you how to talk with your
Wala to
eyebrows.
sa mismong movie. Attitude yarn.
You think I'm really stupid, don't you?
No, not really stupid.
Extremely fucking stupid.
on? What's happening?
Si Bok ni Broken.
I still have hope.
Ang pinako.
You shouldn't. Your dreams are coming true. Why not mine?
Fool. What they put
I can't just change my feelings. Could you change yours for Fiera? I don't have feelings for Fiera.
Sure, Jan.
Let's just hope she makes a good impression.
I'm sure she will.
Bitch. Bye.
She passed away? All right.
Deserve.
Bach is mine, bitch.
Yung poses yan. Okay. Tapos na siya. Yan, kapapasok lang namin.
Parang yung magjowa dun sa harapan natin kanina dun sa
Ano kakarutan?
Oo nga, sabi ko,
Ate guys,
isip ko,
oh.
Diyos ko Lord, naisip ko, Diyos ko Lord, ayok man lait. Diyos ko, gandang-ganda ka sa sarili mo, dilaw na dilaw yung ngipin mo.
Uy, nakikinig ka sa video.
Kaya naiting ko siya, buisit. Arte. Ay, power maka na agad dito.
Ay, akala ko ito ni...
Power maka!
Yes. For the ayos si Kuya ng ano, for the logo lang ang nalitaw dun sa iPhone 17 Pro Max niya, girl.
The document is color.
Japanese ba to? Yun o, kain na po kami guys. Yes. The salad, the cucumber. Parang itong ganyan gusto kong pagtripan eh. Sarap ito.
Sarap nga.